Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. I just wanted to show you this John Deere rider mower I got. It's an LT150. This one's got the 38-inch deck on it. It's a little bit narrower than your standard 42. Comes with the bagging kit as well. John Deere twin bagger. The bags are in decent shape. There's a little hole in the bottom of that one. Also, the flow indicator is jammed. That's supposed to expose itself as the flow of grass slows down to tell you that the bags are full. So that'll need to be taken apart and cleaned. But this is that John Deere in my previous video that I said was given to me. It belonged to a customer that bought a brand new one and told me I could take this one away. They didn't want it anymore. It's a Kohler 15 horsepower single cylinder air-cooled 4-stroke engine. Little 12-volt battery there. It's a nice machine. I've given it a good little pressure wash and got it up for sale online. I've got about 25 people that have marked interested on Marketplace. Just start it up for you real quick. The battery's kind of weak. It's not had a good charge, so I'm going to take care of charging it up here soon. There it is, little John Deere LT150. Like I said, there's a pile of people interested in buying this. It's gonna sell this weekend. I'll miss it. It's a beautiful little machine. But I got another one, and I got a big surprise for you guys coming up next week. Keep tuned to these videos. You're not gonna believe what we bought this time. Thanks for watching.